Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? Some kind of tired and exhausted, but I have to make this vlog, okay? You know what guys and girls, as what I have told you this past few days, that I have lots of topics to offer to you, but I have to make it one by one. You know what guys and girls, as what I have seen on news, that lots of perpetrators, lots of, how do you call this thing, bad people are everywhere. Scams, love scams. Some of them are doing business with their partners, and then they found out that they are being fooled and betrayed, guys and girls, especially on online something, especially you know what, hold on, okay, I'm back. Especially sorry, money matters. Don't trust too much. Oh gosh, so sorry, I forgot. I just want, before we continue, I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much, each and every one of you. And to all my Facebook viewers, to all my Facebook followers, to all my to each and every one of you, okay? And special mention Helen Carreto and Monet Pacheco, and shout out to my mother in Bicol, Peabordo. And of course, my 13 lovely countries who never get tired to support my channel. Thank you so much as always. First thing first, Philippines, followed by United States, and on the third, Japan, on the fourth, Indonesia, fifth, Canada, and on the sixth, Myanmar, particularly in Burma, and on the 7th, Malaysia, followed by India on the 8th spot, and on the 9th spot, United Kingdom, on the 10th, Saudi Arabia, and on 11th, United Arab Emirates, 12th, where is this? Italy, and the last but not the least, Thailand. Oh no, sorry, itchy. Guys, so let's now continue. Guys, do not trust anyone, especially those people whom you doesn't know very well. But you know what, sometimes even though they are your friends, your best friends, relatives, closest family, they are still doing bad for you. So better yet guys and girls, make your own business strategies, business techniques, make your business grow with your own feet, with your own style, with your own effort. Please guys and girls, and do not engage on online that they are asking for your OTP, they are asking for your infos. Do not give them the infos, because as we all know, they are scammers. I just really don't how do you call it? I just don't really figuring it out. Why is it that until now there are lots of people being fooled by this kind of bad people? So guys and girls, be careful, since that Christmas is coming, and they are everywhere. Not only in your surroundings, in your community, but also in platform and social medias and internet. So please be careful with your hard-earned money. Do not let them get your money, your hard-earned money, okay? So if I were you guys and girls, just make it by yourself. If you want to put a business, if you want to make your business grow, just do it by yourself. And if they ask for money, do not give them. They will give you some this kind of sweet words that, you know what, after 1 month, 2 weeks, your money will go. Don't believe in them. They are just tricking you. You know what happened to the online husband and wife? And then, one thing, guys and gals, do not lend money which is some kind of a big one and a large amount of money. Otherwise, one day you're gonna cry because your money faded. They got it all. Okay, and then also when it comes on partnership, look what happened to the celebrity. I'm not gonna tell the name, but you know him already. See, even though you know him, you know them, but still they are not being honest to yourselves, to themselves and to you. So be very careful, okay? Do not engage much. Just do your own thing. Make your own business grow all by yourself. And make sure that once they ask money, get some kind of what's this? Return of investment, like what's this kind of thing? Collateral. Ask for a collateral. Okay. So guys and girls, please be very, very careful. I may be repeating to keep on saying this one, but this is for your own good, for your own sake, for your own security. Okay? Do not engage so much. So be very careful. Not only with your heart, but your mind, your sanity, your future, okay? So bye for now. That's it. Until tomorrow for our next topic. For now, since just in case I forgot something to say in this vlog, just make some comment, okay? And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, love it, feel it, embrace it, enjoy it, okay? Thank you so much for your time and effort on watching on my channel. And thank you so much, every one of you. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Yes. Tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow is another day. Bye. Thank you. Godspeed.